Tired of those exhausting workouts and strict diets that barely move the needle? Let's talk about green coffee bean extract. These unroasted beans are packed with chlorogenic acid, a powerful antioxidant that can help you burn fat and speed up your metabolism. It works by boosting calorie burn, slowing down glucose absorption to prevent insulin spikes, and even curbing your appetite. But that's not all. Green coffee also supports liver function, optimizes cholesterol levels, and fights free radicals that age us. Just make sure you choose a high-quality supplement, like Green Coffee 5K, which delivers up to 5,000 milligrams of pure extract per serving. Many users report losing pounds in just weeks without the hassle of a restrictive diet or intense workouts. So, if you're ready to kickstart your weight loss journey and feel more confident, green coffee could be the game changer you've been looking for.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.